Hey guys, check out my TJMaxx haul. There is a cutting board, and I'll get back to that later. But anyway, that is a French press that is a plastic, and that is perfect for the RV. This is a dishwashing rack that would, oh my goodness, it fits perfectly, and you'll see at the end of the video, but it fits perfectly in there. These flip tight containers, they're going to work wonderful for coffees and rice and whatever else I'm going to put in them. The smart seals are going to go great in the fridge or in the cabinet for things such as like cookies and nuts and probably maybe some leftover chips that's just, not even worth keeping in a bag. But, I want to keep everything airtight in there because of bugs and rodents. But these were on sale. These all the containers were on sale for like $3 and $2 and $4. But yeah, back to the cutting board. It came in a pack of 3, and it just so happened to have one of the colors in there for the theme that I'm trying to stick with the RV. Yeah, here is the dish rack, and it fits perfectly in the sink. Was it worth the $16.99? I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on trekking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure.